Hi guys, good morning. So today we're going coupon shopping, you know, one of my favorite things to do. Now so I need to get some bar soap. So I'm hoping that I could find me some good deals on some soap. There's already some deals at Family Dollar, and I also have a 5 off 25. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the 5 off 25, but I'm definitely going to get some bar soap. So yeah, so that's my 5 off 25 right here. So you guys already know that I have two apps for digital coupons, Family Dollar and Dollar General. So I'm going to both stores this morning to see what deals that I can get this wonderful Saturday morning. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao guys, bye. All right, so I'm on the Dollar General app, and these are the coupons that I have clipped. So we're going to look for these deals, and I have the 5 off 25. Hi guys, so this is what I got in my cart. So I have french fries, I have an electric toothbrush, I have the Tide Pods 16 counts, I have the bath toilet tissues, I also have the Gain liquid detergent, and I have 2 toothpastes. Okay, now let's talk about the deals here. 75 cents off the french fries. I have $2 off the toothbrush. I have $3 off the Tide Pods. And I have $2 off the Gain detergent. 75 cents off the tissue. And the toothpaste was buy one, get one free. Now let's head over to the register and see if these were actually great deals. Boop! So let's see. All right guys, so I'm at Family Dollar, and these are my coupons that I have clipped. Okay, so we're gonna see what deals we could get from here. Now with Family Dollar, you could actually see if an item is going to work, because you could use your scanner. I want to use this right here, this one. So basically it says save $1 on any one all liquid detergent, 54 or 58 ounces. So basically all you do is just take the barcode and you scan it to make sure that you can get that item. So it says does this qualify? So you click on this and then you scan your barcode. Oops. This item qualifies. All right, so for the all, I could either get this, and it tells you right here to use a smart coupon, $1 off, and it would be $3.75, or I can get the pods, but I'm going to get the liquid. All right, so this is what I'm getting at Family Dollar. So I have the tissue. The tissue is $5.95 with $1 off. I have the floss. The floss is $3 with $1 off. I have all these soaps right here. It's buy 3 get 1 free, so that's like $4 off. And then I have the detergent, that's $4.75 with $1 off. And then I have the 5 off 25 as well. I went to 3 different stores. So over here I have Family Dollar. Over here tucked in the back is CVS. And over here I have Dollar General. Now let's go ahead and talk about the breakdowns. All right, so this corner over here was Family Dollar. I really needed some soap. I prefer liquid soap, but I will use bar soap, you know, it doesn't really matter. But anyway, so I got a great deal. So you guys let me know what you think. So like I said, this deal right here is from Family Dollar. So I have some toilet tissue, I have some dish detergent, I have bar soaps, 3 packs of bar soap, and then I have some floss. I had a digital coupon for every single thing on this table. I didn't have to like buy anything to get it to $25. I did have the 5 off 25 deal with the Family Dollar and the Dollar General as well. So my total was $26.71, and I paid $15.55 with tax. So I think this was a pretty good deal. Okay, now let's talk about CVS. So I downloaded the CVS app because, hey, deals are deals. Doesn't really matter where you get the deals from. So this is the CVS app right here. So it's just like downloading apps with Family Dollar and Dollar General. You just clip the coupons that you want to clip, and then you can use them when you go to the store. So this was 2 different transactions because it was 2 different days. So basically the Tide Pod, I had a coupon for $2 off. They were on sale, and I purchased these for about $2.27. So I thought that was a great deal. And then a few days later, not even thinking, the Tide was also on sale. This was like $4 and something, and I had a $3 extra buck, which is basically $3. So I used the $3 to purchase this. I got the $3 extra buck from the red box inside CVS. So when you go into CVS, all you do is you go to that little box, that red box, and you print out coupons, and that's how I got that. So that was like a surprise extra coupon. You know, I wasn't really planning, but I definitely had to grab it because it was only $2 and some change. So that was great. Now over here to Dollar General. I have to say Dollar General is definitely becoming my favorite store to shop because this was the best deal for sure. Okay, so my total was $27.70, but I only paid $11.70 after taxes, so I think that is really good. It was only $10.45 before taxes, so I think this was a really great deal. So basically I got some toilet tissue, again, Scott. These were on sale for only $3, and then I had a coupon as well. And then the toothpaste was buy one, get one. The toothpaste was only $2.50, so basically I got $2.50 off by buying another one. And this toothbrush right here, I'm so excited to use. It's a electric toothbrush, and it was $6, and it was $2 off. And it's time for me to replace my toothbrush anyway, so I'm so excited to use that. And then of course I got the Gain, and that had a digital coupon as well. And the Tide Pods also had a digital coupon. And of course I went ahead and got some French fries. And I think this would be good to kind of stretch out my grocery budget a bit. Good for the kids. I could pop these in with some chicken and they could have that. And I had a coupon for this for 75 cents off. And I actually have another coupon. I have 2 Dollar General accounts. I have another coupon for $1.50 off and another one with 75 cents off. So if they like these, so I would definitely go back and use these again before they expire, and I have time to use it because they expire in January. So yeah, so that's that. And I also have something else to share with you guys. All right guys, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So last Sunday I went to purchase my Sunday coupons from Dollar Tree, and the cashier was like, oh, you do couponing? And I was like, yeah. So she was like, you know what, take all these coupons, we're gonna throw them out anyway. So she gave me the coupons from the week prior. So she gave me all these coupons, like I have like a stack of them. So I was very excited about that. And I had already found this coupon right here, which is Cold Stone. I don't know if you guys have that, but I love to take my kids to get ice cream. So I had this coupon, so I took them today, and I had clipped several of them and put them in this plastic bag right here. That's how I organize my coupons right now because I don't have that many. So I went to get them some ice cream, and there was a lady in front of me with her husband and 2 kids, and I gave her one, and she was so excited. And there was another girl that came with a friend. I was like, are you buying 2 ice cream? She was like, yes, and I gave her one as well. With the family that I gave one to, so they were so excited. Someone had went to them and gave them $1 off of their gift card. They had $1 off and they gave it to me, so that was so cool. So what I did, I got the Love It buy one get one. This is usually about $12 for 2, and I only paid less than $6. I paid a $5 and something because I had the coupon. It rang up to about $6, and then I had that $1 off that she gave me, so it was only $4.95, and I gave the guy a $1 tip. I didn't have any cash. I usually don't give tip if I don't have cash, especially if I'm buying something like ice cream. But I was so excited and so grateful, you know, so I went ahead and gave him a $1 tip because my total was less than $5, and this is usually like $6, you know, times 2. It's usually like $12 or something. But that was exciting. It was just cool to like give someone something, you know, and then they pay it forward by literally giving me $1. So that was so cool. So anyways, yeah guys, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from this. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this guy over here. So yeah guys, so anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.